there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with the October update of the amusement park. That's right, I got everything going pretty much except the Ferris wheel because I moved some stuff around here and you can really see the difference here. I got rid of the Animal Kingdom / Pandora, moved it to a separate spot, and really this was to make room for Harry Potter, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So this is our entrance. As you can see, we made this a while back. The train just gets through there. But anyway, make the long story short, I think it frees up a lot of space and makes it look a lot better. It doesn't look as crowded as per se, especially in this area right here. We moved the Ferris wheel over here from there and put the Pineapple Express mixer there. From that, there's really not much been done there. The guys are having trouble on the coaster this morning, but anyway, coasters haven't been really worked on. We did reprogram the pirate ship and everything over here in Pirates Cove, so now that it's actually doing its proper timing, and it's not only on for 2 seconds, it's actually on for what it should be on for. The pirate coaster has yet to be modified to be motorized. That is actually being done this week. The parts are in and I will be doing that. So that will be an operating motorized coaster as well. And things down below, nothing really got done down there, so there's the light just came on there. Except the only thing I did in Pirates Cove was reprogram the control board so that it turns everything on and off at its appropriate times. So let's just go over this way over here for a second. And you hear the clicking and banging going on. Well, that's just the fireworks. Now this is a fireworks light that I got at Christmas time last year, and I'm using it here because it's like, you know, it's pretty cool. It's for like an amusement park, so it works really well. It's nice and loud. I also have another special light that I'm going to be hooking up very soon for the Halloween season. So, with that being said, what do you say, Scooby-Doo? I see you hiding in there, Mr. Vampire. And Scooby and Shaggy are hiding down underneath there. And there's actually a ghost in there too, because there is a Lego ghost, but it's actually a ghost because I have made that with a light in there, and it's not hooked up yet, to emulate the Pepper's ghost scene so that it looks like they're running towards a ghost. So that's going to be pretty cool when that's all said and done. Now, I was trying to figure out how to move things around here a little bit, but it's just not going to work for the track for the Hogwarts Express, because I was thinking of bringing it out this way and looping it around this way, but it would be too wide. Well, it's not too wide, it's too narrow to make the turn here to go in here, so I'd have to put it way out in front. I don't want really running in front of the castle, so therefore we're leaving that as it is, but you can see Hogsmeade in the background there, and some of the characters running around. Anyway, let me see if I can point out what's what here. Actually, I can't, because I can't remember. I haven't labeled these ones yet, so when we get the Harry Potter section done, I will do a complete review on what's what there. But anyway, that's that. Oh, this coaster stopped now. Anyway, this is the white coaster, the brick coaster. I think he's slowing down in age too. He needs to be cleaned a bit. So that's that. And there's my measuring tape, of course. That's where I left it. Not much really done here, except there's been a lot done over on the Harry Potter side of things. And Harry Potter basically extends from the Ferris wheel right down to there. And if you can see right in there, we have put Animal Kingdom Pandora all in one, condensed it right down, and it looks good because it's a breakdown between the Dark Forest and the Spaceport. So we're going to go over there now, and I'll show you that section. Okay, so we're at the Harry Potter section, the graveyard scene as you enter the Wizarding World. This will be the Quidditch field right in here. Here we have something planned. We're kind of on shoreboard right now. It's probably the Dark Lake, maybe the Durmstrang. I don't know yet. Just don't know. I opted to put the brickheads at the walk-in entrance right here through the park because it just didn't look good on the big entrance thing. So I needed something at that entrance there, so I put those guys there. And when I get Dumbledore and Ron, I'll probably put them at the other entrance down at the other end. There is, of course, the Tale of the Three Brothers right there. And the mermaid scene there. Here we have Sirius Black in his dog form. The Whomping Willow, of course. Which is whomping with my finger right now. But I do got in my mind how to do it to motorize that. And have it come on and off at certain times. We put the greenhouse with Neville down in here on this side. So we moved Hagrid's hut out of the way for the time being. We put him elsewhere. And the castle, of course. Now, when people are the light, shield that a bit there, but the basilisk is in there, but we have to do a lot of work under there. And I was talking to my friend Troy yesterday, and he asked me actually if I got this done, and I was like, no, I've been putting this off because I've been doing other things. It's just been like, you know, rearranging stuff, right? So then we got the other lake here with, you know, Sirius and the Dementor. Harry is still upstairs. He has to come down yet. And, of course, the Patronus. And there is Harry and Hermione in the trees looking at Harry and Sirius over here from that scene. Now in the background we have Hagrid's hut and Buckbeak and Harry bowing to him, of course. And just beyond that, Hagrid's special friends, the spiders. Yes, that's Aragog, the older version of Aragog that came with Hagrid's hut. And that's the new Aragog in there. And we're going to make those trees a little taller to sort of fill this all out here. And, of course, Harry and Ron down there. And we got some mega pumpkins here, which were wheels off the Mars. I think it was the Mars missions sets. We used the wheels to make mega pumpkins. So if you're looking for mega pumpkins, that's how you use them. They're just the wheels off the Mars mission sets. That's all they are. And that worked out really well. And we put Harry and hanging off the car trying to jump on the Hogwarts Express right there on that side of the track, although he's kind of in Animal Kingdom, but that's okay. You know, we just have to have the room that we have. And right here is the other entrance that I was talking about from Hogwarts into Hogsmeade, and that's probably where we'll put Dumbledore and Ron brickheads in there, and we'll get that set up once we get them. Over there in Hogsmeade, the Knights bus is there, which is just there temporarily, and we have some of the different things going on over there. Post office and Zonkos and all that, and of course Ron, Hermione, Harry, and Dobby, everybody's favorite little sock elf. You know, so we got our version of Hogsmeade there. Now we are planning to build Diagon Alley. Actually, it is pretty much built. It's our version of it, so we don't have the Lego sets of it, but hopefully, if I can get it, I will be getting the Lego set of Diagon Alley and putting it in there somewhere. So I don't know yet how I'm going to fit that all in, but anyway, let's just get back to over here. So here is Animal Kingdom and Pandora, a little bit of both with the floating rock platforms, or rocks, I guess you want to call it, and some animals in there. I know it's very condensed down to what it was, but it kind of fits better here, and you can see Frozen Land in through there and all the gang. We decided to put the big mech suit right here because it kind of blends in with the space, futuristic space, Futureland, whatever, and put the ride there just so that we could have some functionality down at this end and have a ride down here at this end of the park, because it looks kind of black without a ride. And you can see it just clears that rock hanging up there in the sky. So that's pretty neat. Overview of it all is from back here. And I've got everything running basically right now that can run. We did get the ski lift working. There was a minor mishap in one of the lines down at the other end. It's not plugged in right now. I have to get some power over to that. So that's working. The Santa Claus that spins around works. Got that working. If I go onto this side and talk about the Star Wars land and all this and that's going on, I haven't really had time to do anything to this because I've been really focusing on the Harry Potter section, you know, because it is huge. It is about 10 feet long by 18 inches wide, and it's been taking up a lot of my time building all this and that because I never had no Harry Potter stuff up to October of this year. This is only 2 months later in October, so you can see I've done a whack of stuff. I can't say I had none. I had Hogwarts Express and the Night Bus and a few very small Harry Potter things, but really wanted to put this in the park when the castle came out and stuff like that. So now that that's all out, it's awesome. Now we have to get the Quidditch set. Probably be getting 2 of them to put there because, or maybe I'll just do 1. I don't know. Haven't decided that. Still have to order them. Money is a big thing right now, and there's a lot of stuff going on in the next few months. So, and with Christmas coming up, etc., etc. But I decided this year that this would be my Christmas. All the Harry Potter themed Lego from that was coming out this year. This would be my Christmas this year. Last year I bought myself the white coaster, which was quite expensive to have it imported into Canada from the US. It was absolutely crazy. But anyway, and then of course this summer I bought the other coasters. So make the long story short, yeah, it adds up really, really quick, especially with all this new Harry Potter stuff coming out. But that's just an overview and update of what I've got going on in the main amusement park for now. I have a very strong suspicion that in November's update you will want to see it, because I have a strong suspicion that I will be changing stuff in this area here in the Christmas land, and it'll look a lot better, except Hogsmeade right there. Hogsmeade will remain the same, but over in the background here, all this section here, or middle part of the section, shall I say, may be changed to accommodate some other winter stuff, but I'm not sure yet. That is why I am doing this update, so you can see how it looks right now. And of course, this is the whole fun of Lego. It is because you get to change stuff and get to play with it and get to enjoy it and just have fun all the way around with it. And watch out, there comes the train. Okay, cool. And let's see what's going on here, guys, with the coaster. You guys are slow. Oh, the coaster's actually off. Duh. So, okay, and there goes the guys on their trek up the coaster. Yeah, let's watch them as they come around the rail here. I think it's going to be really cool if we watch it from this view. Here they come. There they go. Okay, so I also made this Aladdin. It's called 3 Wishes, and it's basically the SpongeBob set, if you want to call it, from Love World, but it's in the form of Aladdin and the genie. And it's going to be motorized in piggyback off the coaster, which is right there. So that'll work quite well. Lots of stuff going on. We got the fireworks going off. It's really nice. Pirates Cove is functioning quite well. So that about wraps it up for this review for October 2018 of the amusement park. This is Twoloosebricks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And let me know if you have any suggestions, thoughts, or anything. Just let me know. I really appreciate the input. I've already taken some input that people have commented on and implemented it into this, and it has worked well. And one of them is the archway right here, because I was thinking of putting the brick heads on the side, but they really look too big. And when I put everything here, they were way out to the side and into the trees. It just didn't look right. That looks much cleaner and much better. And I don't have the person's name here with me as I'm filming, but I will put it on the description here, just here below. I thank you for the comment on that, because you were right. It looks much better without them. So, that being said, I'll leave you. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you again very shortly with another video with something to do with this. I know I've been on this Harry Potter kick lately. Sorry, but I really want to get it done. I'm going to try to mix some stuff up, and I will, I promise. I know I'm rambling now, but I'm really want to let you know that you guys mean a lot to me, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.